friends. This week did not go as planned. I felt behind, unmotivated, even guilty. But I realized progress doesn't always look like big wins. Sometimes it's choosing a reset midweek and taking that one intentional step forward. In this video, I'll be sharing how midweek reset can shift your mindset to end the week strong. Grab your coffee and your mindset. This is your coffee time Thursday. I have my matcha. If you're new here, welcome to Hellenistic, where we blend mindset, motivation, and hybrid productivity to help you live intentionally, one small step at a time. Q4's theme is gratitude and vision, so let's keep that in mind as we chat. All right, so here it is. I am not babying my cover at all at this point. And as you can see, things are all over the place. So I do have a lot of receipts over here from the trip, and I need to sort through these and put it into the log so I know how much was spent on this trip, as well as there's some invoicing I need to do. I did manage to go into Louis Vuitton. They had these 2026 agendas for my tiny little PM, and I right now have my own inserts in here, which I love, but I think that I might be interested in putting these 2026 agendas in there with the PM. So let me know if you're interested. I can always do a little film going through the inserts with you and setting it up. Let me know if you're interested in that. All right, so this is the real talk moment where I share something that is really happening in my life. So here's the story. A work to leisure trip was one of the best decisions my husband and I made this last week. We were out in Hawaii. However, along with that comes consequences. In my case, I left Hawaii feeling like $1,000,000, and onward came my physical body and mind needing a major shift to work mommy mode. Well, that didn't come to play as planned until Wednesday. Perhaps it was the red-eye flight home that made it tough, but whatever it was, I was absolutely not motivated to do just about anything until midweek. Rest was what I desired on Monday, outside of picking up my child after school and doing her rides after school activities. By Tuesday, guilt took over, feeling like I know what I need to do, but my body just couldn't handle it. I was exhausted from the guilt, felt guilty not getting things done, and then that led to another level of physical discomfort. Totally doesn't make sense, but it happened and you may relate. So here's the plan. Journal it out. Journaling can help get the clutter out, figure out what fears are hiding inside, and more than anything, allow myself to get it out on paper. Whether that's negative or positive, just get it out. Schedule and prioritize. Check my calendar and set it up in my weekly. See where I need help or delegate tasks. My top 3. Choose 3 move the needle tasks, and then choose 3 most urgent and important tasks. So this is where I use that Eisenhower matrix. Just by using those 3 steps, I can't tell you what an amazing feeling you have midweek, even through the chaos, even when you don't feel like doing anything. Let's now go through the journaling prompt. This is where I share a journaling prompt that resonates with me, and here it is. What would it look like to show myself grace and still take action before the weekends? So this is where you can pause and just journal away. I certainly did. This morning I had my little journaling session, so I have my journal on with me, and I love journaling in the mornings where I feel like I need a reset. Every single day is a new reset for me. Okay, lastly, let's talk about the challenge of the week. Challenge of the week is add 1 activity midweek that's purely for joy. It could be reading, journaling, baking, or just taking a walk. Yesterday, I went on a walk with my kiddos late night after dinner, and it just was one of the best things because I got to actually hear myself think. And sometimes just silent walking is one of the best things you could do for yourself. So give that a try. Here it is. Here's my reset. So what I've done was I've taken the week, midweek, and I basically updated all the little nitty-gritty events that are happening this week, which is a lot. However, I was very unplugged Monday and Tuesday, so it already happened. I don't know how I got through those 2 days, but I did. As you can see, the habit tracker is not filled out, but I do have the habits that I want to upkeep in there. And so I'll be doing that. I'll be working on this. And then I have some waiting on items that I wanted to notate, as well as what to do for personal and work. And I think that this list really helped me to kind of organize my thoughts when it came to putting up with the long list of items that needed to get done for the week. It was kind of overwhelming, but I got to go through this list and it really just kind of organized me over there using the Eisenhower matrix. So I really sorted it down to what I can handle for the week, and that's pretty much it. You will not see a Monday or Tuesday in here, but you will see Wednesday, because that's when I actually did the midweek reset. So I have the Wednesday all here, and I was very productive yesterday. So I have that, and then today. So I have a couple of things going on today, and then I'll be writing down the top 3 things to get done today, and then I will go through the day just as so. So that is how I am using this binder, and it's been super successful, just because I really needed that space to do the reset, and I was able to do it right here. So there's that, and that's how I'm going to go and finish the week strong using this tactic. I hope this helps. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join again for Coffee Time Monday or the next hybrid productivity reset. Remember, your small steps matter.